Today I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website step by step, so visitors can book time with you right from your site. This is a really simple way to make your website more useful, whether you want people to schedule a consultation, a discovery call, a meeting, or a service appointment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to copy your Calendly embed code and place it into a GoDaddy website page without getting stuck. And if you want more easy tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe, because I post practical website and software guides just like this, all the time. Let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the specific booking event you want to display on your website. This is the event type that people will be able to schedule, so choose the one that matches what you want visitors to book. On that event card, click the Share button, and then select Add to Website. If you don't want to embed just one booking event and instead you want all of your active meeting types to show up, there's another option for that too. Go to the top right corner of your main event dashboard page and click the gear icon. From there, choose Add to Website. This is helpful if you want viewers to see multiple booking options in one place instead of only a single calendar. Next, Calendly will ask you how you want the scheduler to appear on your site. You'll usually see a few display styles, and it's important to pick the one that fits your layout best. If you choose Inline Embed, the calendar will appear directly on the page like a regular section. This is a great choice if you want the booking calendar visible immediately, without any extra clicks. If you choose Pop-up Widget, Calendly will add a floating button to your page, usually in the corner. When a visitor clicks that button, the booking window opens. This is a nice option if you want a cleaner page layout and still want a way for people to book easily. And if you choose Pop-up Text, it turns a text link into a booking trigger. That means you can place something like Book Now or schedule a call on your page, and when someone clicks it, the scheduling window opens. This is useful if you want the calendar to blend into your page content more naturally. Once you've selected the style you want, click Continue. Calendly may let you adjust a few display settings, so take a moment to review those options and make any small changes you need. When everything looks right, click Copy Code. That code is what you're going to paste into GoDaddy. Now open a new browser tab and log into your GoDaddy account. After you're signed in, go to your Websites and Marketing dashboard and find the site you want to edit. Then choose Edit Website or Manage, depending on what your dashboard shows. This will take you into the website editor. Next, open the page where you want your Calendly calendar to appear. For example, you might choose your Contact page, Services page, or a dedicated booking page. Think about where your visitors are most likely to want to schedule with you, because that's usually the best place to put it. Once you're on the page, hover over the section where you want the scheduler to live. You should see an option to add a new section. Click the plus sign or the Add Section button. On the right-hand panel, look for the Files and Web category, and then click HTML. When the HTML section is added to your page, click it to open the Settings menu on the right side of your screen. You'll see a Custom Code area where you can paste your Calendly embed code. Go back to the code you copied from Calendly, paste it into the Custom Code box, and make sure it's inserted correctly. If there's a title field or placeholder text, you can clear it out or replace it with a simple heading like Book a Session. That way, visitors immediately understand what the section is for. After that, click Done. At this point, your Calendly scheduler should now be embedded on your GoDaddy website. The final step is to preview your page and make sure everything looks right on desktop and mobile. If the section is too large, too small, or not positioned how you want, go back into the editor and make small adjustments until it fits perfectly. And that's it. You've now added Calendly to your GoDaddy website so visitors can book with you directly from your page. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And let me know in the comments what software or website tool you want me to cover next.